Okay, so for the second part of today, we're looking at Explain 3, and it's basically doing the same thing, but using a table to help us organize our information. And so they want to work with a situation here. They say Kim works 4 hours more each day than Jill. Jack works 2 hours less each day than Jill. And so in their organizing, they said Kim works 4 more hours. Jack works 2 less hours. And so they want to make a table. And part of the trick of the table is deciding who is your X. Well, they have Kim compared to Jill and Jack compared to Jill. So we're going to let X equal Jill, and that's the number of hours she works in a day. And then Kim is going to be X plus 4, and Jack is going to be X minus 2. Then they say over 2 days, the number of hours Kim works is equal to the difference of 4 times the number of hours Jack works and the number of hours Jill works. Blah, 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 blah. What? Okay. So let's start here for a second. Hours worked over 2 days. If Jill's working X hours, then in 2 days, she's going to work 2 times X. We can just call that 2X. Okay, Kim is going to work 2 times X plus 4, but we could call that 2X plus 8 if we distribute. And Jack is going to work 2 times X minus 2, which we could call 2X minus 4. Now, let's go back to the other information. The number of hours Kim works is equal to, so Kim's hours are the 2X plus 8, and they are equal to what? The difference, and we know difference means I'm going to subtract 4 times the number of hours Jack works and the number of hours that Jill works. So 4 times the number of hours that Jack works minus Jill. Okay, and so if I work this out, it's still the 2X plus 8 on the left side. This side of it is 8X minus 4 minus 2X. So if I combine like terms, my 8X minus 2X gives me 6X minus 4. No, I'm totally lying. Where did I? Yes. Got to make sure you distribute. So 4X minus 16. Good thing you guys caught that. I guess I can just use my little eraser here. Is going to give me still 6X minus 16. Okay, so the solving part of that is the same as what we did on that first video. So I'm not going to go through and solve more because you guys know how to solve that. Okay, and then let's just take a look. Here's another one. And I want you to try and make the chart for this one. And I'm going to go ahead and make the chart too, but pause and then check. Okay? Okay, so we have Lisa is 10 centimeters taller than Ian. Ian is 14 centimeters taller than Jim. So everybody's related to Ian, so I'm going to make him X. Okay, Lisa is 10 taller than Ian, so she's X plus 14. Ian is 14 taller than Jim. In other words, Jim is 14 shorter than Ian, So I'm going to make him x minus 14. And it says every month their height increases by 2 centimeters. So in 7 months, they're all going to have grown 14 centimeters. In other words, Lisa is going to be x plus 14. No, she's x plus 2. My gosh, you guys, I am struggling here. It says she's 10 centimeters taller. So Lisa is going to be x plus 10 plus 14. In other words, x plus 24. Ian is going to be x plus 14. Jim is going to be x minus 14 plus another 14. In other words, he's now just x. And what does it tell us? In 7 months, the sum of Ian and Jim will be 170 plus Lisa. So Ian plus Jim is 170 plus Lisa. And then we work it out. This one's going to be a 2x plus 14. This one's going to be x plus 194. And again, you're just going to solve that the same way we were solving the other ones, okay? So now you guys are ready to go. And your homework is starting on page 63. And you're doing 13 through 19. Go ahead and make the table for 20. And I think you can do 20. I think you can also solve 21. So we'll have you do those and turn that in, and then we'll check back in on these tomorrow.